What we're about to do will work on any Roland SPD One, not just the kick that I have here. The first thing we're going to do is just turn it on at the back. Now we need to make sure that the dial is set to 12, which is our user dial, and all we're going to do is plug in our USB cable. We need to make sure as we plug in the other end of it into our computer that we're holding down the instrument variation button for it to connect to the computer. So I'm going to do that right now. Hold down the button and plug it in. When you connect it, you'll notice that the red light is flashing. That's good. And up here, we've got our Roland SPD One connected. Otherwise, you'll find it in your Finder or Windows menu over here. And just down here, I've got a whooshy sound, which I'm going to use. I'm just going to drag that on. It's important to note that the sound has to be a WAV format. And if it's stereo, then it will be automatically converted to mono on the device. Now, all I'm going to do is just eject that. The sound can be up to 5 seconds long. You'll notice when I've ejected it, I'm going to pull out the lead here. And then I'm just going to press this button and it should flash quickly. That means it's writing to the SPD One. And we're just going to try that out. We should get a nice whooshy sound now if I turn the volume up. There we go. And that's all you need to know to add your own sound to a Roland SPD One. If you'd like to see my full in-depth review of the Roland SPD One kick, then you can watch this video here. Please remember to subscribe if you'd like to see some more content from me in the future. Have a good day, I'll see you soon.